At number 5, Passenger Pigeon Solar Window Shades. Description: upgraded technology innovation fabric cordless solar window blinds. No cords for a clean look and child safety, light filtering, UV protection, transparent sight, air breath, flame retardant, waterproof, dust-proof, mildew-proof, spot clean easy care, made to order. Each our roller blinds is custom made. We cut the fabric width and length to suit your window only. We will send email to all customer to double confirm the size. Please check your email and let us know do you need to change the size in 48 hours. Mount type and measurement. Our window shade are good for both inside mount and outside mount. Inside mount require a minimum 2.5-inch window frame depth. Shade size need to be very accurate, so please make sure check below mount type and measurement information before order. Or you want to more, checks the description below. At number 4. Original blackout pleated paper shade black. Trim at home for the perfect fit inside or outside your window frame, then install in seconds without a drill, screws, or brackets. No tools needed. Block 99% of light for complete privacy, light control, and UV protection for bedrooms, children's rooms, and movie rooms. No cords for a clean look and child safety use included. Clips to raise and lower shade. Light blocking original fabric shades are made of soft, 100% not woven polyester with a heat reflective layer that helps block heat entering through windows. Or you want to more, checks the description below. At number 3. Original light filtering pleated paper shade white. Trim at home for the perfect fit inside or outside your window frame, then install in seconds without a drill, screws, or brackets. No tools needed. Softly filters light for privacy, light control, and UV protection. No cords for a clean look and child safety use included. Clips to raise and lower shade. Made in the USA of durable paper that will not yellow or crack from sun exposure. Perfect solution for home. Or you want to more, checks the description below. At number 2. Bali Blinds cordless light filtering cellular shade. Cordless lift system is perfect for homes with children or pets, and has been certified best for kids. Cordless cellular shades help insulate windows while softly filtering light and providing privacy when lowered. Blind has 1/2-inch deduction from stated width and can be mounted inside or outside the window frame. Cordless lift system provides a clean, fresh look by eliminating the need for operating cords. All mounting hardware is included, and size is measured as width x height. Or you want to more, checks the description below. At number 1. Shakeology cordless cellular shades, 100% polyester yarn. Imported. Enjoy modern, stylish, energy-saving, eco-friendly, easy to use with chained honeycomb cordless cellular window shades. Fabric, light filtering. 100% polyester yarn. Sizes, 24W, 30W, 38W, 46W, 54W, 64W, 72W x 48H or 64H or 84. True to size, the size chosen will be the actual width. No deductions. Mount, inside or outside mount. Minimum 1.5-inch depth required for inside mount. 2-inch for a flush inside mount. Includes matching fabric head.